children, today we are going to start with chapter 15, that is the beginning of the struggle. So in this chapter, we will study about how the birth of Indian National Congress and divide and rule policy, स्वदेशी movement और कुछ revolutionaries के बारे में मैं आपको बताऊंगी, right? So the Indian were suppressed by the British. Indians को किसने suppress करा था? British ने. They did not even have time why they become slaves. So जो Indians थे, they were not keen to get their freedom back from foreigners. So what happened during this period? People who thought about the betterment of the people, the big names during this time was कौन थे? Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Narayan Guru, right? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, and some scholar who studied more careful in the society. They realized that it contained things which could be used even in the changing times. So Indians started from, उन्होंने क्या करा? एसोसिएशन बनाना स्टार्ट करा, बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूशन स्टार्ट करे, स्कूल्स बनाए, and they decided to begin to hold meeting and discuss problem. And they tried to solve them. They even published newspaper to spread their feeling to each and every Indian. And thus, in doing so, they attracted the attention of the rulers towards their problem. Birth होता है इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का. So, in order to draw attention of the British Raj towards their problem, Indian National Congress was set up. और किसने करी थी? A.O. Hume ने. इसका एम क्या था कि INC were very limited and it was when it was started and they wanted the British to heed to their demands. It pleaded the government. इन्होंने गवर्नमेंट को प्लीड करा कि आप क्या करो, आप एम्प्लॉय करो एज मेनी इंडियंस, जितने भी इंडियंस हो सकते हैं, किसमें? एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में. सो कांग्रेस सेशन वर हेल्ड इन द वेरियस पार्ट. सबसे पहला होता है मुंबई, दैट डिमांड इंडियंस टू बी अलाउड टू मैनेज देयर ओन अफेयर्स. So these demands weren't very moderate. ये moderate थी. Many of the people believe that just humble demands would bear no fruit against the stubborn British rule. And what they believe that only strong action could make the British officers to understand the problem of India. Some of the people who held strong opinion were Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Vipin Chandra Pal, V.O.C. Pillai, and कुछ prominent Congress leader भी थे, जैसे W.C. बनर्जी, दादा भाई नरोजी, S.N. बनर्जी, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, बबरूद्दीन तैयब एंड जी सुब्रमण्य अय्यर. बाल गंगाधर तिलक जो थे, he boldly faced the British and what he declared, freedom is my birthright. फ्रीडम मेरा बर्थ राइट है और मैं इसको लेके रहूंगा and I shall have it. So he even wrote things which were against the British, like केसरी न्यूज़पेपर था, and for this he was repeatedly criticized and was even imprisoned several times. और बहुत बार उनको जेल में भी डाल दिया गया. फिर डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसी आती है. स्लोली व्हाट हैपन, INC बिकम द स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. भाई इंडिया को फेथ होने लगा एंड दे वरीड द ब्रिटिश. इससे ब्रिटिशर्स बहुत परेशान हो गए. सो दे टुक ऑल पॉसिबल मेजर्स टू सप्रेस दिस मूवमेंट. उन्होंने बहुत सारे मेजर लिए कि हम इसको सप्रेस करते हैं, बट इट बोर्ड नो रिजल्ट. फाइनली व्हाट हैपन, they thought of the divide and rule policy and their aim under this would to make Indians fight among themselves. अब उन्होंने क्या सोचा, अब हम इन्हें आपस में ही लड़वा देते हैं. So they planned to divide the Bengal into two parts for administrative purpose, and they wanted to divide Hindu and Muslims. And India understood the motive. By Indians समझ गए थे Britishers का motive, at which the whole country was protested strong. The Indian has more in strong against British mischief, a movement जिसे हम स्वदेशी movement कहते हैं. It was started और इसने क्या करा, division of Bengal को अपोज करा. Under this what happened? Indians would boycott all foreign goods. British cloth was burned in several places. People were persuaded not to buy British clothes, and the student of Bengal took this movement very strongly. The women folk of India took active part in the Swadeshi movement. They sold their jewelry to open up the shops where only Swadeshi goods are sold. So the whole country was awakened by this movement and the British were troubled. उन्होंने क्या करा, वो एक trouble determine कर रहे थे Indians में, and the British had to accept the defeat. And what he did, he abolished partition of Bengal in 1911. Now revolutionary. So this time was right and the British were feeling weak at this point. So what happened, it was very difficult to face and the Swadeshi movement was very strong, and it was at this time that some people thought of striking the iron. People who think this was called revolutionary, a boy named Khudrim Ram Bose. ये famous revolutionary थे and he was just 15 year old. ये 15 साल के थे and he was hanged in this way सिक्योरिटी जो थी ब्रिटिश की वो इंक्रीज हो रही थी एंड सम इंडियंस लेफ्ट द कंट्री टू वेग वॉर। फिर मदन कामा वेंट टू जिनेवा, उन्होंने एक न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिश किया जिसका नाम था वंदे मातरम। राजा महेंद्र प्रताप एंड मौलाना बरकतुल्लाह दे वेंट टू काबुल एंड लिव्ड देयर टू गाइड दिस मूवमेंट। वो वहां रहे, उन्होंने इस मूवमेंट के लिए गाइड करा एंड अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश फ्रॉम देयर। एंड नरेंद्र नाथ चट्टोपाध्याय ही फॉर्म्ड एसोसिएशन इन बर्लिन फॉर द सोल एम वॉज फ्रीइंग इंडिया। इनका सोल एम क्या था, ये क्या चाहते थे, इंडिया को ब्रिटिश से फ्री करना। Right? Many people of Punjab, they settled in America and formed a Ghadar party to give aid to revolutionaries in India. So the British government could see a danger to their rule and they pleased the Indian. They allowed some Indians who were elected by the people to join the government. फिर उन्होंने क्या करा कि कुछ इंडियंस को अलाउ कर दिया कि आप हमारी गवर्नमेंट को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, पर ऑब्जेक्टिव एक था उनके माइंड में, क्या था, इन्होंने एक डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसी रखी माइंड में एंड दे मेड रिलीजन द बेसिस फॉर इलेक्टिंग रिप्रेजेंटेटिव। इन्होंने रिलीजन का यूज करा, जिसे क्या करा, इंडियंस ने अपोज करा। And meanwhile, the World War first broke out in the year 1914. Indian helped the British at the time of trouble. They helped the British with the thought and hope that they would be granted freedom. But the British during this period strengthened their hold on India. They made laws जिससे peace maintain कर सके and they were being applied very cruelty on Indian population. It was during this period that a lawyer who had gone to Africa returned to India. वो वापस इंडिया आ गए, right? And next 30 years led a non-violent struggle against the British. So he succeeded in getting freedom for the country in his own way. And can you guess the name? Yes, that is our Mahatma Gandhi, right? So this was all in this chapter. We are going to start with the exercise. First, just take the correct option. Now, who founded Indian National Congress? That is Alan Octavian Hume. What was the main goal of National Congress? That is Swaraj or self-rule. And it was written by Bal Gangadhar, that is Kesari. Indian National Congress was set up 1829. The World War first broke in the year 1940. Now fill in the blanks. The INC was set up in the year 1829, holding the first meeting in Mumbai. Bal Gangadhar was criticized by the government only in his newspaper, The Kesari. Indian boycotted British goods under the Dash movement. कौन सी मूवमेंट थी? स्वदेशी. Khurdiram Bose was a young The British adopted policy of divide and rule. Now write T for true and F for false statement. INC was set up to draw the attention of all Indians. It's true. Lal Lajpat Rai was Congress leader. It's true. Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan was revolutionary. Swadeshi movement was started in Geneva by Madan Kama. It's true. Indian boycotted British goods. इंडियन ने क्या करा? ब्रिटिश गुड्स को बॉयकॉट कराया अंडर द स्वदेशी मूवमेंट. नाउ मैच द फॉलोइंग. राजा राम मोहन रॉय, AO नु INC, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, or Raja before. You have to write the name of any three freedom fighters. Bhagat Singh, एक्सट्रीमिस्ट कौन कौन से थे? बाल गंगाधर तिलक,
हाँ
बिपिन चंद्र, यहाँ पे आपके लाला लाजपत राय, राइट। बाल गंगाधर, सोशल रिफॉर्मर, स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती, स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती, राजा राम मोहन रॉय, राजा राम मोहन रॉय, ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर। Now some prominent revolutionary. Khurdim Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandra Shekhar Azad. Now answer the following question. When was the Indian National Congress set up and what was its aim? ठीक है, राइट डाउन द नेम्स ऑफ अर्ली लीडर्स, जो आईएनसी के अर्ली लीडर्स थे उनके नेम लिखने हैं। नाउ व्हाट वाज द स्वदेशी मूवमेंट एंड हाउ सक्सेसफुल वाज दिस मूवमेंट? And it was against the British government. Who were revolutionaries and what do these people believe in? What was the divide and rule policy of the British government? Did they really succeed? क्या ये really succeed हुए या नहीं हुए? Right? So this is all in this chapter. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.